So yet another season of regional 4-day cricket is up and running. Jamaica Scorpions have won 1 and lost 1. But just taking a peep at the games though, I can't help wondering, how is cricket in the Caribbean supposed to survive without spectator support? I mean, not even a brother, a sister, auntie or uncle. Basically, no one is interested enough to go out and watch the cricket. And it's not like the games are on television. I want to tell you, even when the West Indies team play, the grounds are still empty and the cricket is hardly on TV. Much less the regional cricket, which continues to drag along inside empty, hollow stadia. So if cricket continues to be a spectator sport and live fan support is an accurate index of the interest in the sport, how is it sustainable? How long can we continue to defy the forces of the market and keep engaging in a spectator sport without spectators? Explain that!